Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to make money by just speaking your local language, right? Very interesting. Now, if you're an African, you're in Nigeria, you're a Ghanaian, I'm going to show you how to make money by just speaking Pidgin English. Quite interesting, right? So stay with me to the end of this video. I'm going to show you what to do, how to do, and definitely how to make money, right? Don't skip any part of this video because I'm not going to leave any stone unturned. I'm going to be showing you everything practically, how it's done, how to join the system, how to register yourself, and how to get started, right? Stay with me to the end of this video as I'm going to review all that in one video. First off, understand that this platform is telling you that everyone's stories matters to us. This platform is available in 28,000 voice talents, right? Meaning that over 28,000 voice talents have signed up already and have joined this system. Again, this system is available to over 600 languages. All right, so you can speak your local language, that language you're always feeling shy of speaking, right? So you can speak that, like you can get jobs, right, where you can be transcribing into your local language and you make money from the system. And again, this system is available to over 1,700 regional dialects. Now what this simply means is that, guys, this is so interesting. You can make money by speaking your local. If you're an Indian, you can make money from speaking Telugu. You can make money from speaking Hindi. You can make money from speaking Tamil. Whatsoever language you know how to speak accurately, right? You can make money. Like I promised you guys, I'm going to show you how to get started, what to do, how to do, and how to make money from this system, guys. This system is very, very big. Now, this system is supported by these companies: Lego, Netflix, Destiny, Livy, Bumble, and Just Eat. Now, these are the companies that are partnering with these guys to make this big. Now, without wasting much time, let me get you started, jump deep into the video and show you the platform I'm talking about. So stay with me. I'm going to be showing you guys how to register on this platform, how to join, and how to get started. Right? Okay, without wasting much time, let's get started. Hold on, guys. I did a mistake. Okay, so now, like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to get started, how to sign up. Now, this is the sign up. This is what the interface of the system looks like. Stay with me as I review the name of the platform. I know you're eager to know, but I don't want you guys to miss any part of this. That's why I'm saying stay with me till the end of this video, where I'll be showing you guys what to do, how to do, and definitely how to make money, right? So stay with me to the end of this video as I'll be revealing that. If you're yet to join our YouTube family, do well to smash the subscribe button looking at you right now. Smash the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon. So anytime I bring you guys fresh content like this, you will definitely be the first to be notified. So let's get started. First off, you're going to scroll down to where you see get started. All right, scroll down to where you see sign up. You've seen this? Sign up. Now, first off, that this system is different from every other system. Now it has about 9 levels of registration, so it's strictly for voice actors, right? So this system is strictly for voice actors. Like I told you guys that you're going to make money by just, recording yourself speaking your local languages, right? So that's what you must understand first off. So when you get to this registration page, the next thing you need to do is, now this is what the registration page looks like. The name of the system is called Voquent. Now that's what you need to understand. The name of this system is called Voquent. Now stay with me. Let me take you to the registration process, because it's not easy peasy like every other system where you jump and you register. So let me show you guys how to get started. First off, in the first registration, you need to put your account details, which is your email and your email address. Now also understand that on your password section, you need to make your password at least 8 characters. And also your password must be included with the upper character and a lower case character. Now what that simply means is that in your password, if you're using 8 characters, your 8 characters must have uppercase, 1 uppercase and 1 lowercase and 1 number. That is to simply make your security very tight, right? So thereafter, when you're done, you get to the about you. Now they want to meet you. What is your gender? What is your name and all that? So that's the section you fill that. Now the contact detail, they're going to ask where you reside, your nationality and all that. Now on the 4th stage, they're going to ask you to pick a role. Remember, I talked about different roles you can do on this system. First off, you can be a voice over artist, you can be a voice narrator, you can be a character narrator, you can be a commercial voice over artist. They're different, right? So you must pick a role. Then also you head over to the studio recording session. You also tell the system, what app are you using for your voice recording? What microphone do you use? What gadgets do you use generally? So you're going to explain everything on this section. Now you head over to your rates. Now you're going to put the rate you charge. What amount do you charge for these tasks, right? Do you charge per hour? Do you charge per minutes? Do you charge per day? Do you charge per word? For instance, do you charge per word? Like, there are people that charge. It's funny, right? There are people that charge per word, right? So if you want them to do a voiceover for you, they charge you per word. There are people making money from this, right? So you shouldn't be joking. Now, on the 7th stage, they're going to ask you to include your social media handle. So at this stage, you're going to add your Twitter page, your Instagram, your Facebook, your LinkedIn, whatever social media you're on, you're going to add it at this phase. Now, moving further, your 8th stage, you're going to do your email activation. Once you're done with that, boom, you're going to get accepted. Now, you're going to join the system officially. Okay, let me sign in and show you guys what it looks like, right? So you get started. Okay, this is my account. I'm just signing in right now. Let's just wait. All right. Okay, this is what the system looks like. You see, I've just registered. I just did my registration after reading much about this, and I thought of sharing it with you guys, right? So that's what we do on this channel. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to smash the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon. So when I bring you guys fresh content like this, you will definitely be the first to be notified. So first off, once you've registered and you've joined the site, they will give you the first task. Now, watch me very well. The first task is the demo they'll ask you to do. I'm going to be doing that after this video, right? So the first task they're going to be asking you to do is to send in a demo, right? So you see, they're asking you for a high quality demo in various style to get hired for projects. Now you need to drop a demo. You need to drop at least one demo. Now with the demo now, they're going to distribute this demo on your profile that clients can get to listen to at least what you sound like, your voice texture, the depth of your voice and all that. Believe me guys, this system, you can make mad money. Like seriously, you can make very good money. They're asking me to pay it for verification. I'm not ready to do that for now. I just want to build my profile very authentic. So if you are getting value from this video, do well to comment in the comment section. Comments, this is good. This is good. I'm making money. I'm ready to make money. This is good. Comment that in the comment section. Now, if you're gaining value from this video, please do well to comment making money with Oga social media in the comment section down below. Do well to comment so I will bring you guys more videos like this. Do well to support me. Subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon and also share this video to friends of yours that are looking for how to make money legitimately. I share content daily on this video, interesting content on how to make money on a daily basis. So do well to smash the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel so when I post videos like this, you will definitely be the first to be notified. In the next video, I'll be showing you guys tricks and tips how to make money from this system, right? So this is the sign up process. I've showed you how to sign up. I've showed you how to activate your account. Do well to take action. Let's connect in a techie manner.